Ever order Beijing beef just for that rich, sticky glaze? Today, we're cracking the code on that iconic takeout sauce at home. It's sweet, tangy, slightly fiery, and honestly, it knocks the restaurant version out of the park. Full details are down in the description. Take a look at our lineup. The secret to that glossy takeout finish is all about how these pantry staples play together. We've got rich umami from hoisin and soy, sweet heat from brown sugar and chili sauce, a sharp kick of rice vinegar, and fresh garlic and ginger to bring it all alive. Start by pouring your quarter cup of water into a mixing bowl. Now, add 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Hoisin gives us that deep mahogany color, along with a complex, sweet and savory backbone. In goes 2 tablespoons of ketchup for a fruity tomato note, followed by 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar to slice right through that sweet richness with a crisp, tangy pop. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar so it caramelizes smoothly later, followed by 1 tablespoon of soy sauce for that essential salty depth. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. I'm using a quick homemade batch here, which gives the sauce an incredibly fresh, vibrant, and unique flavor layer. But feel free to grab a store-bought jar if you have one on hand. Now spoon in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch is our key thickening agent here. It's what gives takeout sauces that iconic velvety and glossy sheen. Grab a wire whisk and begin working it around the bowl, bringing all those liquid-based ingredients and spices together. You'll want to whisk thoroughly for a good few seconds until every single trace of cornstarch is completely dissolved into the dark mixture. Drizzle in 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. That toasted nutty aroma instantly brings that authentic Asian kitchen scent to your bowl. And then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger for a bright, pungent kick. Now give everything one final thorough whisk to tie all those fresh aromatics and spices into our liquid base. You'll want to make sure the minced garlic, grated ginger, and sesame oil are completely blended and suspended throughout the sauce. Pour the mixture directly into a warm skillet over medium heat. Keep your whisk moving constantly. In just 2 to 3 minutes, you'll see the cornstarch activate, transforming the liquid into a thick, shimmering glaze. While this simmers into perfection, do us a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to SpiceRally, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next homemade copycat drop. Once you see the sauce reach this gorgeous glossy sheen, turn off the heat immediately. Look at that velvety, clingy texture. This batch yields about 1 full cup of sauce, ideal for tossing with crispy fried beef strips, chicken, or even stir-fried veggies. Planning ahead? Let it cool completely, transfer to a sealed glass container, and store in the fridge for up to 5 days. It reheats beautifully in a warm pan. So give this one a shot for your next stir-fry night. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next recipe.